name is Linda and I want to show you some things I received last year from Hebel Design. She makes very beautiful stuff and I want to show it to you and share it. And so if you are interested, you can buy stuff with her from her web shop. You can follow her on Instagram or Facebook. I do. Hi guys. So this was in one of her boxes last year. It's the mini stele from the Shadowhunters. This is the keychain, a little bit like the bracelet that Max was gonna give to the next queen in the selection books from Kiara Cars. It's very nice, don't you think? Stick-on tattoos. Cards, just like this one was from the subscription box in August. It's very nice, right? April. The mermaid sticker. And we also got an invitation from the July subscription from last year. So, like these. It's also from the selection books. I really love them, by the way. So now I'm gonna open for you the first box. It's a shell. You can put it on a bracelet if you want to. Or a hanger for a necklace. It's Gizmo from the Gremlins. It says Gizmo Halloween. Hi! I love Gizmo. It is that he's not gonna be wet, otherwise it's gonna be bad. This is from the collection of Akatar from Sarah J. Maas. A Court of Thorns and Roses, for those who doesn't know the Akatar. I really love this one. I've got it double because one of the boxes came extra. I really do. And we've got one blood ruby, sorry. I'm a Dutch girl, so my pronunciation from the English is sometimes different. The Illyrian wings. I think it's so cool. I've put it all in one box. Next one. Ooh, it's the Shadowhunter box. It's from Cassandra Clare. It's the Shadowhunter runes, the fire message. It's so cool. I've got another one. Do you already recognize it? No? Okay. The prescription is on the back. It's the mark of Cain. That's the one that Clary will put on Simon to protect him. It serves him well, but also it's a burden. The predator loop is the protectors of the wolves, and I love that one as well. I love all of them, by the way. This is from Feyre, from the Court of Thorns and Roses as well. It's meant to be the tattoo that's going to be on her hand. And if you look in the back, my cat is stealing my decorations. She's so funny. It's Molly, by the way. I've got 5. This is another box. Those are the flowers. The mermaid tail. Kitty cookies. Hello, kitty. Cookie? I find this very nice because I love cats. It's a mask. You can use it for all kind of books because I've read a lot of them. They have bowls in it and I think it's gorgeous. So this was my unboxing from Hebel Design. She really needs recognition and respect for everything that she does. She makes also custom-made jewelry. And if you look her up, she almost had, I think now about 2 days or 3 days, she has a new shop. So thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoy it as well, and maybe you can buy something from her. It's not a wrap thing, it's just something I want to do because she has to do it right, and she has done. She owes the credits. So thank you. Bye.